This is how you can use your mobile phone as a Linux terminal. You can ping, you can do most of the things you would normally do using your Linux machine, as you can see. To prepare your mobile phone to do all this, you need to go to F-Droid. From here, you can install Termux, which is the terminal that you could use using your mobile phone. Now, look at the terminal. I can update and upgrade my package list. This is important in order to get your mobile phone ready for these activities. After that, you can install some of the tools that you need to use. Here I want to use Git, Python, OpenSSH, and so on and so forth. After the installations, let us try the Fastfetch in order to check all the components of my mobile phone. So here you can see the disk spaces and all those things. Now we can ping websites, for example. The next thing that I need to do is to install SSH server. After the installation through the mobile phone, we can actually remote to a different Linux machine, which is what I'm doing now. So here is the name of the Linux machine that I want to remote to. Now when you hit enter, as you can see, now I'm logged into my Linux machine through the mobile phone, using it as a remote control. From the mobile phone, I can check everything or use all the commands that I would normally use on my Linux machine. Now, let us quickly host a web application on the mobile phone. So I created a directory called web. Inside the directory, I'm going to create a quick web application. The web application, we called it Hello My Android. Then index.html. Now let us start the server. We had already installed this earlier. Now the server has been started. Go to web browser on your mobile phone and go to localhost 8080. Now you can see the web application we just created, and you can also have fun by using the C matrix. So this means that your mobile phone is not only for making calls and sending SMS. I ask you to please subscribe, to share, and to like.